Hazrat Zahdan narrates that we were in the company of Hazrat Abu Moosa Ash'ari while there was a bond of fraternity between us and this Jam tribe. We were brought meal comprising chicken too. A red-colored man was also sitting amongst the people, but he did not approach the meal. Hazrat Abu Musa radiyallahu anhu said to him, "Come close, for I have sighted Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam eating chicken." That man thereupon replied, "I have seen it eating something filth, so I detest to eat it, and that's why I have taken an oath not to eat chicken." He said, "Come close so that I may tell you or narrate to you that I along with some Asharis visited the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and found him in an anger. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam was apportioning the people the animals given as alms. We requested him some mounts, but he sallallahu alaihi wasallam took an oath not to grant us the animals and said, "I do not have any mount to give you to ride." Later Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was brought many camels under the head of booty. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "Where are the Asharis? Where are the Asharis?" The reporter says, "Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam granted us 5 white camels with high humps. We had not gone far when I said to my companions, perhaps Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has forgotten his oath. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if we do not remember Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam his oath, we will never succeed." So we returned to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted. "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we asked you some animals to ride on, but you took an oath not to grant us the animals. So we think that you have forgotten your oath." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Undoubtedly, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has granted you the mounts, and by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will take an oath for something and then finds goodness in some other thing, I opt the better aspect and pay the expiation of the oath." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5518.